I'm Max Dalton, and in this video I'll show you how to sign out of Canva on all devices. This is a useful feature if you've logged into Canva on multiple devices and want to secure your account, especially if you've used a shared computer or forgot to log out somewhere. By signing out of Canva on all devices, you can ensure that no one else has access to your Canva account and projects. Step 1. Open a web browser, navigate to canva.com, and then sign into your account if you're not signed in already. You'll land on your Canva home screen. Step 2. Click your Canva account name at the top of the screen to open a menu, and then click Settings in that menu. Your Canva Settings menu opens. Step 3. Click Login and Security in the menu on the left side of the screen. Associated options are displayed on the right side of the screen. Step 4. Scroll down to the Security section on the right side of the screen and then click Sign Out from all devices in this section. A window pops up asking if you're sure you want to sign out of Canva on all devices. Step 5. Click Sign Out of all devices. You'll be signed out of Canva on all devices, including this one, and you'll be bounced back to the Canva login screen where you'll need to sign in again to keep using Canva on this device. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video, or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.